They don't buzz, they don't warn, they don't miss. These aren't ordinary drones, these are Harpy drones, India's flying kamikaze hunters, designed not to spy but to destroy. And when they strike, enemy radars vanish from existence. The Harpy is a loitering munition, also called a suicide drone, developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI, and imported by India. It's built to detect and destroy enemy radar installations. In any modern war, first target the enemy's eyes, radar systems, and India knew that if war broke out on two fronts, China to the northeast and Pakistan to the west, it had to blind its enemies fast. India acquired Harpy drones in the 1990s, making it one of the first Asian nations to use loitering munitions. Upgraded Harpy drones, Harpy 2, were added later, with electro-optical cameras, real-time feed and manual override to abort or divert strikes. The Harpy doesn't need GPS. It locks onto radio frequency emissions, like radars or SAM guidance systems. Once it detects a signal, it zeroes in and dives into the emitter at high speed, destroying both itself and the target. Silent, precise, devastating. Unlike traditional missiles, Harpy drones can loiter for hours waiting for a radar to switch on. This forces enemies to keep their systems turned off, leaving them blind. No radar, no early warning, no defense. India holds a significant edge in loitering munition and drone warfare technology thanks to its operational use of the Harpy and Harp combo, which has been combat tested and refined over time. Additionally, India is advancing its indigenous capabilities through DRDO's Switch and Alpha-S drone programs, and homegrown loitering munitions like Nagastra-1, developed by Solar Industries, are further strengthening its arsenal. In contrast, Pakistan relies heavily on Chinese Wing-Lung drones and currently lacks loitering munitions equipped with radar homing technology. Meanwhile, China deploys CH and ASN series drones and is investing in swarm drone technology. But India's proven Harp system still maintains a tactical advantage, especially in the precise destruction of enemy radar installations. Though not officially confirmed, defense analysts believe Harpy-type drones were part of India's preparation during the 2019 Balakot airstrikes and the LAC standoff in 2020. Stationed in Rajasthan, Arunachal Pradesh and Ladakh, they can be launched from mobile ground platforms, allowing for fast relocation and stealthy launches. India is now going beyond Harpy, investing in the next generation of loitering munitions. The target is to make India a drone superpower by 2030. Harpy drones are psychological weapons too. Once deployed, the enemy either stays blind or risks instant destruction. They create a no-signal zone, forcing adversaries to fight in the dark. In Indian skies, Harpy drones don't announce war. They end it before it begins. While enemies boast about range, India focuses on precision. The future, it flies silently and it strikes without mercy. Harpy, India's ghost in the sky.